A cordial greeting. Today is Tuesday, June 11, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. The recently designated Invest 90, which is the low-pressure system that continues to bring considerable rain to Florida. And in the next image, we can see the two areas marked by the National Hurricane Center where there is the possibility of cyclonic development. The first is associated with Invest 90, which will soon begin to cross over the Florida peninsula. This disturbance will continue to bring quite heavy rain, at least until the weekend. The National Hurricane Center has marked the area toward the southeast of North Carolina and South Carolina, with a 20% probability of developing into a tropical depression. Although eventually, this low pressure should continue its trajectory northeast over the open waters of the Atlantic, without posing a danger to land areas. I want you to see this infrared satellite animation, where we can clearly see the convection associated with the low pressure. In fact, in the last few hours, we have seen that this system has indeed gained considerable organization. But fortunately, there are very strong shear winds of 40 knots moving from west to east, which means the chances of development before it reaches Florida are extremely low. The organization of this low-pressure system can be clearly seen in the visible satellite image, where the low pressure is located just to the west of the city of Sarasota. The location of the low pressure in this area, combined with the strong shear winds blowing from the west, causes the heaviest rain to concentrate over the Florida peninsula, where intense showers and flooding are being reported over Sarasota and surrounding areas. Here are the additional rainfall projections for the next 5 days. In general, between 4 to 5 inches of rain are expected to affect central and southern Florida, but for the southern and southwestern peninsula, over 10 inches of additional rain are anticipated over the next 5 days. So, we will continue to see new flooding events, and it is important for Florida residents to exercise caution today and through the weekend. Once Invest 90 crosses over Florida, it will eventually have some chance of development, but only over the Atlantic waters between Bermuda and the east coast of the United States. As shown by the members of the GFS model, the trajectory will be completely northeast, without posing a danger to land areas.